Hello. Also join the stream together that I haven't invited you to yet.
Okay.
But I just did. And I can also ping my Discord.
Oh, nice. I'm hearing 2 of you. Very cool. There we go. Gleep Corp. I am not live yet, but I'll be live in a second. Now I'm live, and there we go. Hello, everyone. Let me send out my stream announcement before I forget.
Oh, you know what? That's one thing I haven't done on my OBS on Linux, is I haven't set up the audio delay.
Yeah.
I haven't measured the audio delay because I had a thing on OBS on Windows, at least I think I did, where the delay for my... Hold on, sorry, I'm getting a notification about this. My delay for like desktop audio was synced up with my mic. So it just like adjusted the delay until it lined up. But
Interesting.
I haven't done that on this yet. Maybe it is just synced up because it's just going through my Go XLR and not through voice meter anymore. Mayhaps.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
That would be cool. I think my mic is maybe a little quiet. I'm looking at the peaks right now. Can you speak?
I'm speaking. I'm talking.
Yeah, it looks like you're a decent bit louder than me. I'm gonna...
Yeah, I think when I was watching the streams back, I am a little bit louder.
Oh shit,
Just
yeah,
slightly.
I'm actually looking at that. You are like peeking the fuck out of my graph.
Hello, average Godot enjoyer. Happy Thursday to you. Happy Thursday. Why do you spell it with an I? It's not how you spell it.
What? Where? Where could the
Said
I
Happy
be?
Thursday.
Like
THIRSDAY.
Oh, like Thursday. It's a Thursday.
Yeah. Yeah.
Day
Well, I got my
is-
Dr. Pepper, so we're all set in
Holy.
that category.
Ooh. Ooh.
Mhm.
My stomach just hit me with a fuck you. You're hungry now.
Bro didn't eat today, and it shows.
Well, no. Well.
Bro had a granola bar today, and it
No,
shows.
I also had a bowl of cereal. Thank you very much.
All right.
Teehee. I'm gonna boost my mic just a little bit. Everyone yell at me if it's too loud. But
In OBS or like your mic
In OBS,
overall?
yeah.
Or okay.
yeah, just
Let
a little
me,
bit.
Let
Not a ton.
me see. I think I have you turned up on Discord though, so I don't know if I can actually turn you up anymore. Let me check. Also, I made more changes to my mic. I got a little foam cover, so if my mic sounds terrible, please let me know.
Sounds terrible.
I wasn't talking to you.
Okay. All right.
I guess I have you turned down a little. Let's put you up to 100.
My stream
Yeah,
title
you
is
get to be
Devin
95.
Gamey. Let's go.
Whoa.
Let me. I'm gonna mute real quick. I'm gonna
Okay.
eat this granola bar, and then I'm gonna.
I told you.
No,
I
I
called
had a
it.
granola bar and a bowl of cereal, and I'm gonna have a second granola bar now. Bitch.
Dog, you need to like
I-
eat food.
No, I was gonna. Oh my god, I'm peeking the fucking thing now. Hold on. OBS, you bastard. Whatever. Default, that bitch. Whatever, it's fine. No one's complained about it so far.
I mean, I
The-
can complain about it if you want, but
Okay, sure. No, I was gonna go get some fucking. I was gonna go get a snack or like something before stream, like at the store, and I forgot that I live in a place where we're currently under the threat of a potential snowstorm or something, some sort of.
what?
I don't know.
Hello?
Apparently.
Although it snowed here today. It
Yeah.
snowed like it was literally like 70 degrees at one point in the day, and then it also snowed.
Yeah. So my mom sent me
Like,
a thing that was
hello?
like, there's a snow warning or like some winter weather storm that's apparently happening.
Yeah.
And I'm sure that everyone else here heard that, and they were like, "Holy shit, we gotta go stock up!" And so the grocery store was like, there was not a single parking spot, and I realized it as I
love
got there, and I was like,
living,
"Oh
like,
yeah, I forgot."
Somewhat
People,
south.
I was like,
Because
I went there because I
People
just
see
want to
like
pick something
snow.
up.
People see snow and they're just like, "Oh, we're all gonna die." Like, dog.
It's not even like snow; it's like the chance of.
I know it's insane. My mic is peaking. Hold up.
Yeah, your mic is peaking mine as well. I'm seeing. We're just gonna put you back to 0 dB, and we're just gonna pray that that's fine, and someone will complain if it's not.
Let's see. Am I peaking
but I'm gonna
now?
mute real quick.
Wow. There we go. Looks better. Yeah, let me know if my mic sounds terrible. To anybody in my chat. I'm still working on it, so. But today I made a big list of content we want to add here. So I'm probably just gonna go through and do a bunch of art for some of these. And Biddy might try to work on them. I don't know. Maybe he will.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's the plan for today.
I also wanted to talk about what we wanted for PAX, but that can wait for a couple of minutes.
We also need to do that. And we also need to figure out what we want to do for like a demo as well. I saw the snow and immediately went to buy 10 gallons of milk and 6 bags of bread. That's so real. Like, why do you even need that much? Like, that's enough for like a month. Maybe more than a month, depending on how much milk you drink. But like, for me, it's probably a month.
Okay. So, what did I do last stream? Do you remember?
I don't know. I think you just like sat around and like scrolled reels while I worked.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Dante's not going to be on PAX. We are going to PAX, and we are going to show it off to some people. We are not officially scheduled with PAX. I hope that answers any potential questions you have. Because it is, we are going to PAX because we want to go to PAX and talk to game devs and do game dev stuff up there that week.
Yep.
But we are not like officially, like we don't have like a booth at PAX or anything. We're just gonna walk around and poke people and be like, yo, you want to play our game?
Oh yeah, I made these little enemy designs here, if anybody cares. They're kind of cool.
Yeah.
Might try to make another one similar, but is this readable as like a little cannon? This is supposed to be like a little cannon.
Oh, that's a little cannon. I thought it was like some kind of shotgun. I'll be real with you. Which is like a gun still, but
I mean that works too, yeah. Maybe like a big chunky shotgun would be better than like a cannon. I was thinking he'd shoot out like a big giant cannonball.
Yeah.
What is PAX? I don't know either, but like we're going, so.
It's a convention that runs a couple times a year. One on the East Coast, one on the West Coast of America. I don't think they have. Do they have PAX internationally, or is it just an America thing?
They might have like some events, but I don't know.
Someone in my chat said that they thought it was a
arm.
robot arm.
Yeah, I have your chat, Twin. I can read your chat.
Okay, dude. All right, man.
Sorry.
PAX events.
My bad.
Let me see if they have one for Europe. Oh shit, they have a few more than I expected. They have PAX Unplugged, which is in Philly, which is in America. They have PAX East, which is in Boston, also America. That's where we're going. PAX West, which is in Seattle, also America. And then they have PAX Australia, which is in Melbourne.
Interesting. So, we should go to Australia. I think that's a great idea.
I actually would love to go to Australia at some point.
Seems interesting, but I don't know if I'd want to go there.
Okay, I can put my screen back on. So,
okay.
Last time I did crit stuff. That's what I did.
Oh, yeah, that's what you did.
But this time I have a bunch of to-do lists or to-do notes from you, and I have a couple of things that I want to do. So let me make a new stream note.
Do you have any notes on the to-do notes, or are they fine?
They're fine.
Okay.
For now. I haven't really gotten into them.
The GodoCon is in Boston usually. I plan to go to that. Yeah, we're gonna go to that as well, whenever it is. Most definitely.
Hopefully. Until they like
we are.
Until they're like, oh, it's the week after PAX and we have to fucking cancel our
If
plans.
it's the week after PAX, then we're going.
I'm not going. I am not taking off I'm not taking off like 3 weeks of work to fucking go to GodoCon.
3 weeks? What do you mean 3 weeks?
Well, because I have to take off like a week
at
and a half.
most 2 weeks.
I have to take off like a week and a half, and then like 2 weeks would be for like, you know, staying a little extra, and then maybe like a recovery period after, you know how it goes.
All right. This guy needs a recovery period.
Yeah, it's called the refractory period. It's like biological or something, I think.
All right. Excuses.
So there's a couple of small fixes that I wanted to do. Namely, and I think I have do I have your glass gun on my thing?
Probably. I think so. I think I pushed up everything. Yeah.
Okay. I have to turn you down just a little bit more. Lol.
Sorry, my bad.
I just wish your mic was like a little bit more of a consistent volume, but that's what
I think it's also like how loudly I talk, because sometimes I talk really quietly.
Yeah.
And sometimes I don't.
So I have your glass gun. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So one of the things that I wanted to fix was this down here, how it has the 1 out of 1. I don't like that. And so I want to fix it. And so what we were talking about was making the ammo like a -1 or something. In like
Yeah,
glass gun.
in the editor, that is.
Yeah, in here.
But, yeah.
So like if it sets a -1 charges, then it displays as like infinite or something.
Mhm.
I don't. What the fuck is this? No grab. Okay, dude. Whatever the fuck you say. I don't really like that. I really don't like having these kind of like. Something about it feels wrong to me. Of just like setting it to -1 and that just means infinite. So I was thinking about it a little bit. Huh?
But you do. I'll keep going. Whatever you're saying.
However, we have this modifier system that has been in place for like the entirety of ever, and is used for one single purpose right now. And you probably don't even know what that purpose is, do you?
Nope.
This
Nope, I
is
don't.
used whenever you draw cards from the slot machine. The card that gets drawn gets a modifier of fleeting attached to it.
Oh,
which is-
interesting.
Yeah, whenever it gets discarded, which I can actually show you what this looks like in the editor.
We should call it like ethereal or something like that.
Oh, wow, I know that one. Well, that doesn't make sense. Ethereal doesn't make sense for this. Exhaust would make sense for this. Kind of. Because ethereal is
No.
like, ethereal is if it's in your hand at the end of whatever, it goes away. But if you play it, it doesn't go away.
Well, it'd be ethereal and exhaust, I guess.
Ethereal exhaust.
Because it also goes away. Because if it's
Very-
exhaust, it doesn't go away at the end of the turn.
Yeah, big fan of things
So
that
it's
are
a
like
mix of both.
innate, exhaust, ethereal.
It's so true.
Dude, I had
That's
a
real.
I had a Slay the Spire run last night. That was I was playing the fun character, the one that I absolutely love playing, which is Silent. I have to remember her name every time. I had a card that was 3 mana. You played it, and you would choose a card, and then it would put 3 copies of that card into your hand at the start of the next turn. However,
That's kind of fire.
I got an event which allowed me to put innate on it, I think, or imbue or something like that, which is that it automatically gets played at the start of my turn. At the start of battle, sorry.
It automatically gets played.
Yeah, it
What?
automatically gets played at the start
That's
of battle,
fire.
which is great. I also had a relic that was the first time a card would exhaust, it just adds another copy of that card to your hand in a battle. So it would automatically play the transform card, or the copies card. It would put another copy of that transform card into my hand, but that was after I already selected a card. And I had Adrenaline, which is 0 cost, give me 2 energy, draw 2 cards. And so I would play that card, I would use it on Adrenaline, it would put the copy of the card that was supposed to exhaust, like the copy, into my hand, and then I would play the copy on Adrenaline again, and the next turn I would start with 6 copies of Adrenaline in my hand.
Yeah, I definitely followed all of that.
Well, it's fine. It's just, it was insane. I love the Silence so much.
Yeah.
Silent is your favorite too. She's so fucking fun. I've tried the other characters a couple of times. None of them really resonated with me the same way that, like, the Silent did.
Alright.
You know? You don't. Because you really like...
No, I don't.
You really like the edgy one, because of course you do. Where is... What is fire
White bro
test?
giggling like
I don't know
that.
what that is. Oh, I know what that is. That's an old thing that I've just never
It's
removed
probably
this
like very
from you.
old and it like looks terrible, yeah.
Yeah, it's called fire test. I believe these are like particles that used to be in the hand
Yep.
behind the card or something.
No, I think that was supposed to be for like the instead of the stole bar, it'd be like a little flame with like a number.
Hmm.
Kind of like the
My
like
Godot
mana and
just
Slay the Spire.
was kind of cool.
Oh. That's pretty cool.
It's because I tried to examine something that I guess isn't a resource, so that's fine, I guess. But anyways, back to the modifiers. The fleeting modifier is the only one that's in use right now. We do actually have an exhaust modifier as well. But I think that one's been...
I think it's being used somewhere,
Exhaust
right?
modifier isn't. Actually, I think the fleeting modifier turned into... let me look. Actually, modifier... Oh, we have a pin modifier as well, which is whenever you put a pin on a card, it puts this modifier on it.
Okay.
We do have an exhaust modifier, however, I don't believe it's currently being used in favor of fleeting. So I was thinking that instead of setting the charges to -1, we could just add an infinite charges modifier, which would allow it to be a bit easier for us to check for whether or not the card should show its charges when you equip it. Or, you know...
yeah, we could do that.
I don't know what we want to do for... Because we could have it display infinite, actually, at the bottom. Like, a little...
A little at the bottom of what?
Can we just throw the card itself at the enemies? Currently, no. I don't know if we're going to have something for that. Maybe. Probably not.
Probably not.
Card throw card. Throw cards at the enemies. They all have 3 random stickers that affect each card's behavior. Holy shit, that's chaos as fuck. Also, the Slay the Spire 2 codebase is not leaked. It's made in Godot. So it's not like a leaked thing. It's just like a... Like, I have it right here. Because I bought the game, and I ran the decompiler on it. This actually doesn't include the C# code. This includes all of the scene files, which is really cool. Like, if I were to open this up, not like that, like with Godot, if I can, if God will allow me. Slay the Spire 2. Which, only do this if you have an actual copy of the game, by the way. But, like the... Let's look for, like, health bar. Yeah, sure, dude. Oh, shit, I keep hitting the wrong button. But anyway, this is the Slay the Spire 2 health bar. It just doesn't have any of the scripts on it because they use C#.
Evil.
Yeah, not evil. It's just...
What if we switch to C#?
I would not want to do that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You can also see all the shaders. But yeah, I mean, that's something that's also gonna be available for Dante's Nine. Is you're gonna be able to, if you own the game, you can unpack the PCK.
Wait, I just learned something today.
What?
You can zoom in and out on the color palette in Aspray.
I want to say I knew about that, but I don't use Aspray enough. Also, it is going well, Electric Mindset. Also, I just turned on share chat because I forgot to, but it's on now. But it says some streamers aren't live yet.
It's not on. I'm literally live.
You're literally live. Okay.
Oh, because I didn't... Wait, there we go. Try it again.
Did you not go live?
No, I didn't hit the, like, join shared chat button once you, like, click on the link.
Let me see if I can...
It still says that I'm not live. Hello?
Yeah, it still says you're not live. I don't know. Share chat not enable, audio video. Also, why wouldn't you have a copy of the game? Well, some people obtain it through illicit means. But it's mainly just like a... You can...
Oh, nice. I'm not live on Twitch. Wonderful.
Nice. You can get the copy of the code. You can, like, unpack it yourself if you own the game. Is more like what I meant, not like...
Well, according to OBS, I'm live on Twitch. I don't know why it's not.
Are you live on Twitch? Like, are you actually live on Twitch?
Yeah, I am now. I don't know why it wasn't showing
now.
up before.
Okay.
That's weird.
He is not live on Twitch.
It says that I'm live.
Oh, there we go. Share chat is now enabled. There we go. Yippee!
Yeah, I think I might have to refresh the like Stream Elements multi-streaming tab. I think when I have to do that sometimes. It starts that. Yeah.
I don't have to, but I used to.
Yeah, I thought it had fixed that, but I guess maybe not.
Infinite charges modifier? Is that what I'd call it? Probably. Last name, infinite charges modifier. Oh, that's not how that's spelled. We turn the testing dummy into tempura. Holy shit! Wait a minute.
Wait, you might be cooking.
You might be cooking with that one. Does this return anything by default? Ah, shit. It does. You shouldn't be doing that. Can strings be null in Godot? Anyone know? I guess it'll tell me if they can't.
Probably, I don't know.
They can't. They just have to be empty. That's fine. So what
Do you like my business license art?
Whoa, business license. What the hell? Is that for discounts and stuff, or what is it?
No, it's for the enemies drop additional money.
Okay, I see. Yeah. Is Dante's going to be easily decompiled like Slay the Spire 2? It's going to be easier, actually, because we use entirely GD script. Slay the Spire 2 uses C# in GD script, so you would also have to unpack the assembly binary, or not the assembly binary, the assembly DLL, to actually get the C# files from the project, which I haven't done. And I kind of want to, because I'm curious some of the systems they're using. But with Dante's 9, you can just like unpack it and it would just give you, like, it would basically give you all of the files that we have here that we export. Which is, honestly, I kind of like it. It does feel, I think it drives some people away or like scares some people because they're like, what if they steal my code? But it's like the code is kind of the least stealable part, like the least punishing part for them to steal, I feel like. Plus, you can also do GD extension if you want something that's harder to decompile. Or you could just recompile the engine with some custom things. There's a lot of ways that you can do it without, like, with keeping your code a little bit more secure or, like, secretive. Where is... So it's under... Is it card util? Is that the one? Yeah. If modifier is in sticker modifiers, or if modifier dot get modifier name return, or sorry, continue. I think this is the one that I want to do, perhaps. Because then what I can do is, instead of card class gun, if I click on the right file, I can add a new infinite charges modifier. And if I go in game, that should be there. Hopefully it doesn't show the tooltip, but I need to make sure. Okay, it doesn't show the tooltip. Let me make sure that this is what I wanted to do. Yeah, okay, cool. Nice description. Nothing. The tooltip, if there's no description, is just that.
Oh.
Which I guess is noticeable, but that should have a
little bit.
And then a little bit. I wonder actually if I wonder if card instance.gd charges. What if this is an integer? Integers don't have infinite. That's actually a little annoying. I mean, it's fine. I could do infinite like that. I wonder what that would do. I wonder if that would break everything. Let's find out. Do you think it's cool when devs leave their code open? Maybe you're selfish, but you like to see how stuff works from them. Yeah, no, I really like it whenever things are open to people who own the game. Like, if there's a way that you can provide like an intended channel for people to be able to interact with your code or your systems or things, or like modding even, or like just viewing the source code, I think that it kind of promotes like a lot of really good things. Like it does teach people, and I think that's one of the most important things to do. Where is it in it? Is that where, no, sorry, from card? Max charges is card.charges. However, I would like to instead do what? If card.modify. No. If instance has modifier type, which would be infinite charges modifier instance.max charges is equal to infinite. Else, you can do that. I think that should work. And then you're going to be pissed because this is an integer. If I were to make this not an integer, would you still be pissed? Probably. But on the same like on the same wave, the same vein, in the same vein as the Slay the Spire thing, if given the opportunity, if given the time, I would love to make some of the code open and easy to modify. Like, I really do want to have like a system that people can write mods for and load them. One detail you noticed is that the question mark rooms have its icon change depending on what the room was. Oh, I didn't actually notice that. That's sick. I don't usually look behind me in the Slay the Spire runs, but that is really cool.
Oh, I was confused. I was thinking in Dante 9, and I was like, wait, what are you talking about? It doesn't do that.
Yeah, in Dante's 9 we do that, for sure.
Yeah, for sure. Really.
When the fuck are you? Oh. Wait. Ah, I see. That's fine-ish. That's because of this. If as modifier type, infinite charges modifier, max charges equal to infinite. Yeah, it is a good indicator. It's really cool. Oh, hi, Callie. Sorry, I'm trying to get my cat in my lap. She, like, wants in my lap, and she's like, come on. Come on.
Dumb little car.
Come on. There you go. Holy shit. You know how you know when cats do that, like, false start thing where they just, like, sit there and they're like, they like rear back to jump and then they just keep doing that over and over and you're like, when are you gonna do it?
No, I don't have a cat.
Yeah, that's okay. I figured you would have seen like a video of one doing it online or something. Ooh.
I mean, I probably have. I don't know.
Yo, that's sick. Look at that. Look how many charges this fucking gun has.
Oh wow, that's a lot of charges.
It is a lot of charges. It's fine. I will leave this as an integer. And I will do this. I also want to make sure that max charges can never be 0. Do we have anything that reduces charge count yet?
Reduces charge count. I don't think so.
Okay. So we don't need to do this. It's fine. Hi, Callie. Hi, creature. What's up? Sit down, please. Okay, so where are we drawing the thing at the bottom? This is under equipment slot. It's just a GP file, which means this is probably part of hand, mayhaps. Yeah. Unfortunate.
Mayhaps.
Mayhaps. How often is this called, I wonder? I don't think it's called super. It'll be called a lot for things that actually lose charges, like the SMG. But ooh, I'm kind of surprised that equipped. Okay, yeah, so for the glass gun, it doesn't call it. It calls once. For the beehive, it calls every single time it loses charges. And same thing with SMG. Sick. So I can just do something like... actually... I don't really want to run that code every single time there's a call. I will, though. I think it's fine. If card has modifier type. Actually, this would crash regardless if that was null. Infinite purchase modifier. Then we'll just set this to say. Do we just want to do like inf down here? Or like what's the play, do you think?
Where on the label?
Yeah, what do you want it to say whenever it's infinite charges?
It definitely should not say inf.
Okay. So what should it say? Should it say nanny for the Balatro reference?
No. If there's any way we could just have it show like a little infinity symbol, that'd probably be better.
We could. I need an infinity symbol though.
Okay, I forgot you can't do pixel art.
Well, I'm like doing other shit. How about this?
Joking.
I'll do this. I'll say from our infinite sprite.
Yep.
And then
Exactly what you should do.
dude, can you believe the fucking Rivals news, by the way?
I saw.
Yeah, I know. I'm saying, like, can you believe? Like, that's crazy,
good
right?
Rivals news for once.
Boy.
What? Am I wrong?
Yes. Rivals is a fun game when you don't suck at it.
Well, I suck at it, so.
Well, I don't know. Like, hop around in the lab for a little bit. Go into training mode.
No.
You must do 8 reps of wave dashing from ledge.
No.
Yup. Hi, Callie. What's up? What's up, creature?
Hi, Callie.
You know what? This is
What?
going to be... Make this a rich text label, actually. I should do that. I love rich text
What?
labels. Everything should just be a rich text label.
That's probably true, actually.
That's like hella true. What was the... Oh, there's
That's
a
probably
size
true.
difference here. What's the font size that we're going with? Where the fuck is font size? Oh, font sizes. Not you. It looks like 20 was right. And then this is going to be pissed because this is not actually a rich text label. Label and rich text labels are not the same thing, and don't ever get them mixed up together.
Okay.
Or else Godot will get upset.
Upsetty spaghetti.
Yeah.
Do you like my little fire extinguisher?
No. Let me look.
What?
Yeah, it looks pretty good. That is a fire extinguisher. What does it do again? Is it just you're immune to fire?
Yeah, that was what I had written down.
Okay.
It could do something else, though. Someone had a funny suggestion. I don't remember who it was, but they randomly put Coke and Mentos, and I thought that could make a really funny card that when you use it, it just like automatically uses up all the charges and like launches you around the room for like as long as it's active. So it's like the shotgun jump, but it just kind of like sprays around. So you kind of just go flying in whatever opposite direction that it takes you with like little gravity. So you just kind of
Could be
fly,
fun, yeah.
and it does damage in like a path. I don't know what we'd call it though, because I don't think we could legally call it Coke and Mentos.
soda and mint.
Soda and mint.
Actually, Mentos aren't mint. They like kind of are, but like not. Let me add an export var for this.
Maybe we could just call it like something dumb, like unstable concoction.
Dude, I know that one.
But it's just a bottle of soda and like candy. That could be kind of funny, actually. I think that would be better than like trying to make like an off-brand. Off-brand games like the publishers of Rivals of Aether 2.
That's the one.
And whatever other games they publish.
Bonnie Bear Saves Frog Time. Duh. How could you not know about
Duh. How could
that?
you forget? How could I forget? And Dante's 9. Oh wait, that hasn't been announced yet. Sorry.
That shit ain't getting announced. We are not getting published by Off-Brand. They're gonna look at our game and they're gonna be like, dude, why is that motherfucker on 4 legs instead of 2?
Alright.
What? It's like true, and you know it.
I mean, there's Aethermancer. They're on like not too.
They have furry things in it, don't they?
I don't think so. Not really.
Let me go take a look at the Aethermancer page. I'm not gonna dare open up the fucking store page on stream. Oh shit! Actually,
okay.
no porn games.
It's like let's not.
Fuck?
What?
There's no porn games on the thing. Sometimes when you click on the search bar to type in a game, like the recommended games, one of them is usually just like the most egregious porn game of all time. Aethermancer.
Hello, the Electric Mindset. How are you? It said now you are lol. I don't know what that was responding to because I missed it and I wasn't paying attention.
That was like that was before you started your chat. Like when they said now you are lol is the second you went live and shared chat started working.
Oh, I see.
Yep. Yep. All right, let's take a look at this.
I'm like very smart.
I thought that there were furry characters in those. Yeah, well,
they're just like creatures.
Yeah, that's just a creature. That's just a creature. That's a fucking sick ass enemy design, by the way. I really fuck with this one. The book that has like arms and shit. I fuck with that heavy.
Book with arms. Oh, wait, do you have it on your screen? I want to see.
Look at this dude.
Whoa, we could totally make.
Look at him in motion like though. He looks fucking sick. Or he's not motion, but he's like sitting there. Dude, that looks fucking sick. This game actually has like such a good visual like style, I think.
Yeah, I don't understand how like you make that much pixel art. Like, I don't know. It's a lot of work. Like you make it that high quality and animate all of it. Like, what the heck? How do you do that?
Oh, thank you, Steam. You got it, dog. You got this, dog.
Like, I can barely make art of like half that resolution and like not animate it.
I'd say this game I'd say there's furry. This is like there's enough furry adjacent stuff on the screen currently that I would consider this furry.
Wait, that's not pixel perfect.
I don't give a fuck if it is. It looks good.
I didn't say it didn't look good.
He's like,
where did I say that? Hello?
Bro saw art and he immediately found a complaint about it.
I am not complaining. I am just stating a fact.
Okay, dog.
I'm not complaining, by the way.
For sure, dog. Complaining
For
is
sure.
So fun. Hating is literally one of the most fun things in the world.
Good Plushy Skeleton Key. We already have that first aid handbook. I don't know. Is there a better name for a better item idea for that? Extra chance to drop health on room completion.
Oh, little treat, salami.
Little treat.
Do salami, but you could reuse salami the design as the relic instead of the card because the card doesn't. I don't think the card's gonna work out that well. I think just having a heal card is kind of a crazy one.
Yeah, no, we definitely shouldn't.
The white screen transitions are blinding you since you're in a dark room. We should add a Dante's 9 light mode, and if you ever turn it on, it just deletes itself from your computer.
You might be cooking.
And adds your user ID to like a database, and every time you try to launch the game, if you are someone who's a registered light mode user, it should just kill you.
Okay, now how the heck do I draw salami at like a 16 by 16 scale?
What am I doing? Oh yeah, I'm checking this. CA, Asgun. Oh, cool. What? What? Why is this not... If card has modifier type, infinite charges modifier, you clear the label and you add a texture. What the fuck are you not understanding about the thing I'm saying right now? Just gonna flip. Oh, apparently it doesn't have the modifier. What happened to the modifier? Oh, I hit Control Z and I removed it on accident, I think. Whenever I was, because I thought I moved something in this scene, so I just hit Control Z a couple of times and I think it just removed the modifier. Oopie.
Very smart.
Hey, bye. And Calico.
Wait, Calico? Wait, is that why she's named Callie?
Dude, it's like a deadlock
Calico
reference.
cat? Wait,
Yeah.
what?
Mm-hmm. What?
What?
Oh. Dude, look at that texture. That is showing up. Wow.
Wow.
I like how the texture has a little bit of glow to it, so you can see like the edges of it are like kind of glowy. That's fun. Oh, does my screen... Okay, my screen does zoom in on stream. Cool. I'm glad that it does. Big fan of that on Linux.
Big fan.
I do wish that it had the same principles. What the fuck? I wish it had the same properties as the one on Windows that I have, at least to the point where I could stop on a zoom like here, and then I could just like draw some shit. There is like a draw something in Linux. I don't think I liked it from KDE. Let's change this so that this is infinity. Actually, text size. Hit size. And then I'll multiply this by, I guess, the util.ui scale, perhaps. I think that works. Narrowing conversion. Get over yourself, dude. Come on. Yeah, okay. I think that works. So if I were to open up like Sprite and do my world's worst JW impression and make like an infinity symbol, would that like...
It's literally not even that hard.
Yeah, I'm saying the world's worst JW impression because I'm gonna make it like look like ass. I don't even have the fucking Apollo palette on Linux. I forgot to do that, I think. Shit. Wait, do I really not have the Apollo palette? Okay. Give me a color. Where is... Give me something with a modulate. Give. Watches. This one. You. Into here. Sprite color mode. RGB. Paste this color in. Add it to the palette. Okay. I'll install the Apollo palette at some point. Where's the symmetry options? Thank you. I don't like that this is... I wish that things that could be checkmarked had like some sort of indicator that they aren't currently checkmarked and they could be. Some of them don't really...
Like what?
Like the symmetry options. Because this seems like you would click on this and it would open up like a menu. But it doesn't. It like turns on the symmetry options up here. And now when you go back, it's checked. Which I don't like. Just is needlessly like not... Oh wow. Wait, what if I turned on vertical symmetry as well?
I feel like it's also probably the theme you're using makes it a little less obvious.
If you go to view, does it show that it could be turned on and off on yours?
To where? Here?
View.
View?
Yep. And then turn off symmetry options. And then go back to view. Yeah, so you can see
view.
how there's no like box next to symmetry options that would show that
Oh,
it would
this.
be
Oh,
a-
I thought you were talking about these.
No, I'm
buttons
talking.
here.
Yeah, no, I was talking about how the option itself, if it's not
I
checked,
see,
doesn't
the
look like
option.
it would be a checkbox.
I didn't even know there was an option to enable it. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. Oh wait, what?
We haven't seen much of this
something new.
game, but I gotta ask this: is it pixel perfect or does it have cursed pixels?
What?
It does kind of have cursed pixels,
GW?
but I hate mixels, so I try to avoid them as much as possible. Yeah.
Your version of Godot doesn't have this. Or your version
Oh, yeah, I
of
don't think
Ace,
I'm
sorry.
updated.
Look,
Yeah, I
it's-
forgot. I think
it's
they,
got-
they added that in like a newer update, and
Dude,
I
that's
just
fucking
forgot. I think.
sick. What
Yeah,
version
it
is your
kinda
Ace
cool.
Sprite?
I don't know, 1.3.4.
Ah,
What are you?
1.3.17.
Oh, wow.
Whoa!
I guess I'm a little out of date.
Holy shit, kaleidoscope type shit. What the fuck? That's crazy. Okay, let's lock in. I can do this. What does an infinity symbol even look like?
It's literally just a sideways 8.
It's
Like,
not.
it's
It does like a little bit of like
not hard.
that type shit. It's,
Okay, let's see.
cool, dude. Good enough for me. Dante Linux builds.
It is
okay.
literally basically just a sideways 8. Like,
Can I just
it's not that hard.
6 7 6 7 6 7?
What is my programmer doing, man?
Hold on, man. Dude, Ace Sprite, if you would, please just let me, like, put in a path here, please. Oh, thank fuck. Okay. At least I can do it there. Infinity symbol. Fuck. I'm on Linux, so I can save it without a extension. Oh no, it saved it as an Ace Sprite file. Don't do that. You're a PNG. Good enough for me. Okay.
Salami does not look like salami.
Alright, sorry, what was going on in does this Infinity
But we're not-
syndrome?
we're not making
Does
this
this Infinity have Down syndrome? It's got like slightly bad. It's got bad art by me syndrome. It's got I can't draw, and GW is refusing to do the art.
I mean, it could be worse. It looks like it's like tilted at a perspective angle. Or
Yeah,
it's like an angle. Because
I
I
just
don't
need
know why.
something placeholder. I don't need it to be good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm the hidden king. Yeah.
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 What is- What's going on there? Oh, there's a fucking scroll.
There's a scroll bar.
There's a scroll bar. Lol, don't do that.
Why did you add a scroll bar?
I didn't. Rich text labels do that.
Alright, sure.
Yeah, they just do that. There we go. Look at that, dude. Icon. Infinity symbol. Hooray. And then if I add a different card, like the op, and I equip it, it changes to be 5 out of 5 instead of an infinity icon. Hooray!
That's very cool.
Yeah. Okay. Next thing was, where is my Godot? Stream checklist? No. Stream thing. Small fixes. Infinite charges controlled by modifier. Done. What was the other thing that I sent you? Oh yeah, I mentioned. I don't know if I
Also
should.
removing from deck. Have you done that yet?
Oh yeah, I can do that. Remove card from deck. I also would like to do probably not today. But I do want to just write this down somewhere, which is the echo sticker.
Echo shard.
Like the thing where whenever you use the card, it like leaves behind a version of you that just does like the same attack after a little while.
Yeah.
I was thinking about it a little bit today, and I was like, holy shit, wait, this would actually be kind of not easy to do, but I think that it is like very manageable now compared to when we first envisioned it.
Wait, is that also would that also let us make a card that makes you throw out an equipment and like it bounces around and shoots things? I don't know if that's practical at all. That was a random idea. I
Sorry,
don't
what would
remember
it do?
where that idea came from. Whatever ability or whatever equipment that either you last equipped or whatever the next one is, you like throw, and it would just kind of like activate itself automatically, like in just random directions.
We could.
I think it would be hard to make it work with like everything though.
I think it would be. It depends on the weapon, and it depends on how you want it to activate when it does it. Because I'm thinking about like whenever you throw out you throw out the gun and it just it's like a burst whenever it like hits the wall or something. Like
Yeah, like that would be easy, but like you'd have to make it work with every ability or equipment.
Yeah, the only problem with that is I don't think some of them would lend itself very well to it.
Yeah,
but
which is what I was thinking. Yeah.
The answer is yes, we could do it. Would it be good? For certain abilities, yeah. For others, not even remotely. Like I'm thinking about the laser pointer or the op would be sick, but the laser pointer wouldn't be. I also want to look at hit scan stuff today. Hit scan bouncing because you had talked about that a lot. Also, time to bully the furry noodle already. Dude, non-daylight savings time people be like, holy shit, you're doing this thing like an hour early? What's the occasion? And it's like, dude, you'll never fucking guess. We haven't outlawed daylight savings time in our country yet. In our area. I wish we could. Unfortunately, we're too busy doing stupid shit. Dumb shit, stupid shit. Let me add... Oh, I also need to start bringing this back. Fix time scale on transition effect. Because I broke things. And JW yelled at me last night.
Oh yeah.
He actually made me cry a little bit.
I did.
Yeah.
I'm a little mean.
You don't really care though. It's fine. All right, it's fixed.
Yeah, I don't. Oh, nice. Do you like my pile of salami?
Looks more like pepperoni. Salami's like a more pink color, but honestly, it's fine. I think salami, pepperoni.
I mean, salami and pepperoni, like they're very similar.
Kinda not really, but like yes they are, but like, you know, if you call it salami, that looks like pepperoni.
Okay.
Which is fine. You can still call it pepperoni. There's nothing wrong with that. Cats can have a little pepperoni as a treat too if they're like a Italian cat.
Salami.
Okay. I guess the previous salami was green, so I guess this is like
so it made a
this is way closer to the actual. Let me take a look at that level transition again. Back to menu, start game. Yeah. Okay. Cool. You had to backport nearly all of Titanfall's layer system to fix it. Just backported the view model stuff to make the grenade stuff work. What the hell are you doing, by the way, Master Liberty? Like, what's your end goal, you fucking evil scientist? Wait, I just realized something. Does the... Oh, I really hope that it... Hold up, I have to check something, and I'm gonna be really sad if it doesn't. Select level. Flash. Reload in. Okay, thank fuck. Haha. I was worried. Oh, it kind of does, but it doesn't. I see. The player UI goes away. It fades out, and then whenever you go back into the level, it becomes active again. I see.
I think maybe
it's not supposed to. It didn't before. Whenever we were before the viewport changes.
Oh, I think it looks kind of cool though.
I mean, the problem is, so you can see like if I go out here, like everything on the UI will fade out and then it snaps into, like back into visibility afterwards. Do you see what I'm saying?
I don't see. Wait.
So like
Maybe a little bit.
I'll put the game in slow-mo and I think it would still I think it would show it a little bit better. Maybe not that slow-mo. So it fades out and it immediately comes back to visible before the level fades
Oh,
in,
I see. Yeah,
which I don't think we want.
probably not.
You want to make a test environment for Titanfall's movement and make sure that your reverse name of the code is correct. The only way to do that is to run the reverse code. What better than to use the engine it was built on? I love autism. I think it's really cool. I cannot wait to get the free time to work on my autism project at some point. Like I can't wait till my strange mood hits. Any dwarf heads in the chat? So where are we adding the level fade to, actually? I'm not sure.
Not sure either.
Let me go in here and kill the enemies. There we go. So...
There we go. It's the right salami. So here, this is salami, and this is pepperoni.
Yes.
What do we think, chat?
Yeah, the right definitely looks more like salami, just by the colors.
It's kind of evil, and it's none of the colors are in the palette, but I don't care.
Damn. This motherfucker cannot.
Basically what I did is I took these colors here, and then I combined them with a little tiny bit of the pink and purples. So like, it's made up of colors that are in the palette. It's just the exact colors are not in the palette.
I see.
So that's usually what I try to do. If I have to add more colors, I just mix the colors that we already have, so that it's like, it kind of fits probably.
Oh, I see. We're adding the level fade to the player. We don't need to do that, actually. We can do level manager dot on object fade. Probably. Well, actually, that would be. No, actually, I could just add child here. What the fuck am I talking about, right? Like, I can just add it to the fucking level, right? Am I, like, stupid for that one? That feels correct. Yeah, that works. What the fuck? Dude, look at that. That's sick.
That's sick.
It fixes it. Almost, actually. I've noticed that pausing the game should not be enabled during that, actually.
Yeah, that was actually something that someone pointed out.
Yeah,
I forget who it was.
Let me, free unfinished. What the fuck? Where's this? Is this ever being not free unfinished? I hope not. No, it looks like we're freeing it every finish. Although I guess I'll print this out. Not free unfinished. Actually, do we have an error? No. Whatever. So in this case, if I... Fuck, how are we pausing the game again? There's like the pause button or something.
Timed up pause.
Almost. Where is...
Yeah, I don't know.
Menus, this one, I see. Pause pressed. If that... Okay, I see. Or disable pause. Alt. Why do I have disable inventory? How am I using this again? I see.
Pause.
If not pause or disable pause return. No, if disable pause return. Brother. Master Liberty, you're like you're a freak. And like that's okay, honestly. Some of us need our like what is the fucking word? Some of us need our escape, I guess. Where was that even at? That was under menus. Dodge. Disable pause is true. And then down here.
Are you disabling the pause?
See, you would be asking that. That makes sense. Yeah, okay.
How is Dante gonna hit anything?
So I'm pressing pause. I'm gonna just spam escape as I go through the level transition, and it doesn't let me actually pause until it finishes. Hooray.
Let's go.
Oh shit, I somehow managed to... Something is wrong. Something is very wrong. Where the fuck am I? Why is everything dark? Is this hell? Is this death? Is it over? Oh shit, I managed to pause. Uh-oh. Oh, maybe I got it like frame perfect. That's funny. Okay, well, I can fix this, I guess.
Cleaning litter box. One charge card. Throw a litter box at a non-boss enemy to instantly kill it. No, I don't like that.
Oh, that's really fucking funny. Sorry, I just processed what was said. That's really fucking funny.
It's kind of funny, but
it's really funny. Too. It's sad in a way. It's like it's funny.
It's kind of evil too. It's both.
Does Dante... Wait. I think I'm noticing something that's a problem. Set this to very fast animation for just a moment. Oh, I guess it won't do that. I have to reload the game. I think Dante is spawning in the air. And he's falling down, which is causing him to do a little, like, drop.
Like when he enters a room?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think he does, yeah.
Yeah, he does. Okay. Can I fix that? I want to fix that. Is Dante flush with the ground? He's not. That sucks. Do these have... I don't remember. Player dot drop? No, floor snap? Apply floor snap. That's a thing that uses floor snap length. That's a problem. Let me see if that does anything different. The answer is no, it doesn't. Isn't there like a test move? Test move from there down there. You can check for collisions without moving the body in order to confirm. Yeah, it's great, dude. Partially sets the node position, scale, and rotation to that given transform 2D. Okay, that's from that to that. Okay, I think I know what I can do. Player.get double transform. Vector speed down times like 100. And then I actually do want to return this collision out. I think this works. Does this return out the collision?
Does this look like a little coupon? Kind of, maybe.
What's up?
Does this look like a little coupon?
A little bit. It looks kind of like a license more than anything.
Kind of, yeah.
Being evil is your passion. Love it when residents are evil. I'm more of a fan of just like evil in general. When the residents are evil, it's fine. It's still evil. I love lying. Lying is like the real.
I'm trying to think of something else would be better for a cheaper shop. It's almost like a ticket, more like than a coupon.
It's like a voucher, yeah.
I'll probably still use it for something because it looks nice.
Wait, am I like stupid? What the hell?
What the hell? What if the like cheaper shop is like some kind of food or something like that, like Nacho likes? What is Nacho like? What's his favorite food?
Like?
If you say nachos, we were gonna kill you.
That might be right.
I don't know what you would like. Hamburger. He's literally you.
Dude, you don't like
burger and
hamburger.
nothing else. I didn't say that I don't like
said he doesn't like
hamburger.
hamburgers, by the
It's
way?
just like not all that.
It's not all that. Okay, dude. Returns true if a collision would stop the body. Okay, dude. What the fuck? What the flip? Mayhaps I need to wait for a frame. This is annoying. Whatever. It's level transition stuff. Should be fine. Okay, so that actually does work. So if I could do like player.global position is collision dot get position. Is that like, oh shit. What? What? Something's wrong.
My beautiful item that I made.
A fucking bird that I hate. Dude, that looks
What?
like the source texture. What the hell? That's so
I
crazy.
know that's the point.
Yeah.
Should have an outline like all the other ones.
I think so, yeah. And it doesn't look like a bug. It looks like a more specific thing.
I feel like it would be funny if it looked like a bug.
How do I get world 2D?
Yeah, no, we'll keep it looking like a bug.
I'm figuring it out. I'm remembering. Oh, that's so evil. I can't believe that I'm remembering this shit off the top of my head. That's like kind of disgusting. Oh, shit, I got a cheap viewers in my fucking auto mod. Lol. By the way, you're still curious if I can fade the level but not the map? I could, yeah. We aren't currently, but it could be done. If we so want to. I don't know how I feel about that, though. Maybe it's fine. Although the map does some weird shit between loads. Or I guess it doesn't do that weird shit. It just kind of moves. I might play around with that after this. After I get this working. Hold that. Ground mask? Yeah, physics ground mask. Very collision. Is this a dictionary or does this return the actual fucking thing? I forget. It's a dictionary, you bastard.
What?
If collision get what? What do you fucking return? Position? Okay, thank you. Position factor 2.0 position. I think this should work, hopefully. Doesn't seem like it. Let me kill all these fucking enemies really quickly. Because they're making me angry. What causes Dante to do that little like drop motion?
Drop motion? What drop motion?
Like when he goes through the level transition. Now he's on the ground, but he's still doing that fucking thing. Is it just because he was
screen up?
Huh? Is it just because he wasn't grounded the last frame?
Probably.
I hate it. I hate it so much.
Then fix it.
I'm trying. Okay. Oh, that doesn't work because he's in the air. What the fuck? Oh god. Okay, that somehow makes it way worse. I think I'm just going to not leave it, but I'm gonna... this is at least closer to the solution, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. Slightly less broken than it was when I got here. And it's not even like broken, it's just like the world's smallest like grievance that I have with it.
Yeah.
Maybe Dante should like need to be airborne for like a certain amount of time before he does his little drop animation.
Maybe.
It's like if I tap down, it looks like he does like a little thing because he starts to drop through the platform, but before he passes the threshold, he snaps back onto it. Let me if I time scale and like frame advance this. Okay, so you can do this at like regular time scale then. It's just like a frame perfect trick. What are the chances I can get this? Oh shit, dude, I got it. I got it once. Oh shit, dude. That's the Dante tag.
We have frame perfect timing in Dante 9.
Dude, look at this. Look at this. If I get frame perfect, he does a little wave dash. Look at him, dude. He did it.
You're so cool.
This is my autism. Oh shit, dude, I got it. Fuck. Okay. How much does the furry noodle covered in hands pay you? Pay?
$5.
Wait, oh yeah, I forgot money was like a thing.
I mean, if you don't want it, you know.
No, I do. I do, don't worry.
No, okay.
Yeah. Okay, so that's...
Fair enough.
What? Okay. Yeah, sorry, I forgot what I was doing. So the timescale's fixed. It's not fixed, actually. I turned it even further up while I was testing that, but it's fixed now. Hopefully. The kitty looks like they're plotting to add more features. I've got some, like, crazy news for you. This motherfucker just tossed me an Obsidian document the other day called Biddy To Do Board. Look at how many things are on this page. So much work.
I mean, it's more like us to do board. But,
yeah, no, it's no, it's
because I'm
honestly
currently
really good to
working
have.
on things through there too.
Very, very good to have.
Do you like my shark plushie?
You are. I know what you are. Let me take a look at the one thing that was first suggested. I wonder.
The one thing that was suggested.
Yeah, about the map. So the mini map has its own layer that it's on. If I move this up a layer, I don't know what layer the level fade is on, but we're gonna find out together. Wait, what? Huh? Should you not render on top of everything when you're at layer like 150? Okay, yeah, so layer 150 does make it render on top of everything. This isn't that bad, honestly. I'm not like opposed to it, to be real. Thoughts and/or prayers, JW?
Wait for what?
So the map stays on screen when you go through a level transition.
I mean, that's probably fine. I don't have an issue with it.
Okay. Oh my god, look at this level generation. Beautiful.
We're gonna a little bit.
The staircase. This is also in front of the debug and settings menu, so I'll have to go in and make sure that those are not fucked up like that.
Yeah.
How is it only now in front of the... Wait, what? Is there anything that should be in front of this menu? I think the answer is no. I can just like set this to the highest layer possible. Yeah. The pause menu should like take precedence over everything else. Oh shit, within the world environment, which means that the environment needs to be adjusted. Yeah, cool. And I think, honestly, how about instead of doing that, max layer is 99. That's what menus is on. And the minimap layer will now be on layer, like, 4 or, like, 10. Just, you know, random ass numbers until we get it feeling right. There we go. We'll see what that does. Let's find out how much this breaks Dante's 9 somehow. Does this look different? Wait. JW, does this look right to you? Or does it look weird?
What?
Like,
Does what look weird?
just looking at the game, like, does the game look fine to you? Does it look regular? Does it look good? Does it look bad? Is something off or something good?
Not really. What are you saying?
I don't know. I just feel like Dante's darker than normal, but I don't know. Maybe not.
Maybe.
I can't tell. I can't imagine why he...
I mean, you might have accidentally hidden one of like the lights or something on him.
I don't think so.
Oh, it might have been because I think I adjusted some of the settings in the environment.
Hmm.
But like, you would have had those. So.
Yeah, I don't know. I'll just assume it's fine for now, and we'll deal with it later. You were testing out the animations for the grenade, and for some reason, there's 2 grenades on release. Unsure as to why. What? That's kind of a fun one, though. I don't know. Like,
There we go. We have a beautiful little
you're
shark
making this.
plushie.
You're making this in a different engine, right? You're not doing this in Godot. Remove card from deck. Let's add that. Deck.gd. Remove. Yeah, okay. Add card is a function. Add temporary card is a function. But remove card is not. So let's do remove card, card instance. How am I even removing things from this? Clear deck is a function that clears hand to discard the draw on the cards. So
What should the soul bungus item be?
soul bungus item. What the fuck
Wait, no, that
did you
should be a
just say to
sticker.
me?
Why is that in the items?
What the fuck is a soul bungus?
It's like bungus, but for soul.
Ah, okay. Man, clear. Okay, yeah, I know what I'm. Yeah. So remove card will just do hand dot erase card, discard dot erase card, draw dot erase card, and cards dot erase card. And then I guess if card, no, it wouldn't ever be an equipped card because you're unequipping it first. And then you're doing like glass gun handler. Let's see, there's break card. Not broken. Wait, what is? Oh, does the player
Did I
take
just-
damage when the gun breaks?
Yes, they take the extra heart or extra hit of damage. Yeah.
I see. I didn't know that.
Mm-hmm. I just discovered that if you search random object on Pinterest, it'll just give you a bunch of random objects.
Whoa, that's crazy.
This is actually very handy for coming up with ideas.
What is this attached to? Oh, equipment. I see. Dude, you and your exports below your regular variables.
Oopsies.
I'm fixing it.
We should have a fit item.
Maybe. Lucky fit from Slay the Spire 2.
Lucky fit.
Okay, I think that works. So you're saying right now, whenever the card breaks, it doesn't actually remove it from your deck?
No, it does not. It discards it from your hand, but it doesn't remove it from the deck.
Okay. I think this should be fine. I think this works. Bro's adding the VLC card. What the fuck?
Mm-hmm. Wait, what's VLC?
Shut up. You know what VLC is.
That's what you think.
Oh. Why did it do that? I know why it did that. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Don't even
What
worry
did it
about
do?
it.
I'm worried about
Oh,
it.
dude, that motherfucker can. Okay, cool. So that broke. And there's 2 glass guns, and I only... Yeah. That makes sense. Let me clear the entire deck and glass gun myself again. Yay. Okay, it did remove it from the deck. Cool. Yay. Yay. Okay. So that's good. That works. Let's go into Obsidian. Remove card from deck. Hit scan bouncing. Oh god. Hit scan handler. What the fuck am I doing in here now? I don't remember. It's been a hot minute.
You're probably rewriting the entire thing because it's terrible.
That's probably not right, but maybe. Current Pierce. I see. So this actually does the attack. Ah, shit. Yeah, you might be right, actually. I'm probably gonna be using a lot of the same things there, but I'm probably just gonna like reorder some of this shit. Because I actually do like the aim assist solution that I came up with. I think it feels correct.
Maybe I think currently there's aim assist on both controller and keyboard.
Yep. But it can be changed.
I think it should only be on controller.
Okay.
If that's an option.
Yeah, it is.
I think it feels weird to have it on keyboard.
Yeah, because it's just like a like for controller, like if you're on controller versus mouse, it's just like what angle it's checking for, so I could just like make it skip the aim assist check for mouse.
Yeah.
What you find really interesting is when you backport systems from Titanfall, and it inadvertently adds support for features that I wasn't intending to backport. Like when porting primary fire pipeline, it also had the side effect of making Titanfall select fire and burst fire work. That's sick.
That's cool.
That's how you know it's a good system, is you just like port one part of it and you're like, oh shit, dude, this just like makes the other things work.
Imagine if that happened in Dante 9, that'd be crazy.
It does. It literally does. Because you're like, dude, I want to add this thing, and then it's like, oh shit, wait, no, it's literally like 2 lines of code because everything else just works around it.
Yeah.
But sometimes it doesn't, like with hit scan bouncing.
Yeah. That just means it's bad code.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me think for a moment. What would I do differently for this? If I made this a 0, would this work? Would this just work? Would that be sick? It'd be so cool.
making 0?
The aim assist angle for mouse. The answer is yes. Yeah.
Interesting.
'Cause I think. Ah shit, yeah, there's the issue with the not hitting things because of how large the world is.
Yeah, I think this looks enough like a traffic cone.
The systems you refuse support are the grapple, mantle, and the interpolation logic. It's all of just gibberish to read. Whoever wrote some of it was on something. As I say, a method full of magic 10 and 30 nested if statements. I'm so glad that we don't have to write an entire ass physics system in this fucking game.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this doesn't actually show the... Okay. Interesting. Or is it because I'm on mouse? Oh shit. My controller isn't actually working. So, there we go. Wait. What? I thought this thing had fucking aim assist. Am I like stupid or dumb?
I don't know.
Oh wait, it might not apply to that enemy, but it should.
What if I added an item that's literally just one of the salmon from Salmon Storm, and it just makes it there's like a 10% chance on hit to spawn a salmon?
Disgusting is what that is. It's evil. Too much
But it's
salmon
kinda
in this
fire
damn
idea.
world. Too much.
But it's a fire idea, isn't it?
Kinda.
How big is the salmon?
Oh, it's the laser pointer that uses this. The op doesn't. Oh shit, dude, that looks fucking insane.
Oh, it's the laser pointer uses a different thing.
No, they both use it. It's just the op wasn't like taking advantage of it.
I see. Okay, that makes sense. Definitely. Maybe I should hire Master Liberty as my programmer instead.
Yeah, I think so. That might be the play.
That's a good idea. Might be the play.
Funny shape size. Big flashlight. It's a big ass flashlight. World's biggest flashlight.
Big flashlight.
No, bad.
What?
You're not allowed to say things like that after your what is the word? Your like reputation. There we go,
Incident?
found it.
No.
Your reputation. Your reputation precedes you, and you're not allowed to say that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Sorry, bud. Except like not really sorry.
I see how it is.
Yeah.
There's a helicopter flying over me.
Whoa. That's kind of cool.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. I'm good. I am not proficient at GDScript and would probably strangle the cat for asking me to explain something.
Mm-hmm.
Like, what is factory pattern? I don't know what is factory pattern.
See?
What?
That's the problem.
What?
What is a rival?
6, 7? Okay, well, I have a salmon item if I need it.
Nice. How do I want to...
Or worse, they might ask me to code in JavaScript.
I don't think
Yeah,
that he would
that's
do
not
that, but I
happening.
fucking hope that he wouldn't. If he ever asked me to code shit in JavaScript for this project, I might have to kill him.
No, I'm not that evil.
You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Callie.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Hi, baby.
For sure.
What's up? What you doing? Why are you skulking around like that? What's up? What happened?
Kitty.
Sorry, my cat is currently in the middle of skulking. I don't know why.
Is that a Minecraft reference?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm a skulk sensor right now. I just sensed her skulking. So I'm thinking, unfortunately, that I might... This kind of requires a little bit more specific stuff. Actually, hold on. Hold on. I don't think I have this, go from here. I think I'd give this a position, perhaps?
I don't know how to draw. Trying to draw a whistle.
Yeah.
Looks terrible.
Mm-hmm. I feel that. Oh, you know, I can pass this in as a default. Yeah. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see. So I need to do what? I need this to know how many things it's hit, which is really annoying because I also wanted to know where the last position is. Although, is this actually doing anything with the information from... No, okay, sick. Just kidding. Int. I'm gonna do that. And we will just return out the current pierce 12 with current pierce speed. Current pierce is 0. If we hit nothing, it stays 0. We do max pierce minus current pierce. Yeah, sure, perhaps.
Ants.
Perhaps. And what is this gonna be? You're gonna be pissed. Why are you pissed? Dude, figure it out, man. Close kill. Why are we upset? Okay. From global position. At an angle of like... what, global rotation, I guess? And like max pierce will be just like 100 for now. Let's see what this does. Let's see. Holy shit. What a fucking throwback. No, I have not done the 6 Kev dance ever in the last like 10 years.
What?
Don't worry about it.
That I want to know.
No.
What am I not worrying about? What is Twinity talking about?
Just someone from like a group of friends I had back in like fucking like high school or some shit, probably.
You had friends?
Dog, you were homeschooled. I don't want to hear it from you. You were
I didn't say
homeschooled,
I
and
did.
your parents said, "Yo, you can't watch SpongeBob. It's satanic." Go ahead.
That's not true, but okay.
No, that's like hella true. What do you mean?
It's close enough.
It's like basically true. Had your friend who works over Respawn, you had Gunrunner working, and they asked if you plan on adding Apex's alt and stuff, aka dual wielding. Does Titanfall 2 not have dual wielding?
It is the smart pistol, or no, the smart pistol isn't dual wielded, is it? No, it's not. For some reason, I was thinking it was.
For a
I'm
smart
stupid.
pistol, that sounds kind of.
I don't think it is. There is no, but I'm not the one to ask. I don't. The guy who like is remaking Titanfall or whatever the heck he's doing. would probably
Yeah,
know more
remaking
than
the
me.
entirety of Titanfall. Yeah,
In Godot.
yeah.
Kind of crazy.
Did you say in Godot?
Yeah, bro's
That's
kind of
not
goated for
correct.
that.
He's not using Godot.
Yeah, he is.
No, he's not.
He literally said that he's switching to Godot.
Did he? I don't think he did.
Yeah? Are you like stupid?
Liberty, comma, master, are you using Godot now? Am I stupid and dumb?
He literally said he was.
Yeah, literally anyone. Okay, dude. I thought I was asking, no you didn't, the cat lies. Okay, JW, explain yourself.
I love lying.
Explain yourself, dickhead.
I love lying. I love lying. That's my explanation.
I see.
You know how it is.
I do. This is true. I also love lying. That shit is amazing. You know what? I don't know how I want to do this. What the hell?
What the hell?
What the hell?
What the hell on? What the hell, Dante?
All right, buddy. You're pushing it too much.
What the hell, Berry?
He's laying it on too thick. We're getting a little too into it. So this will do. So we'll grab default Pierce. We'll go through that. I want this to attack from position. I have to move some of this shit over. This will return out an integer, which is the amount of hits that happened. This will take in like all of the same shit that the other one did. But like -1, I guess. Oh, I don't know. Hold on. Ah, shit. Just realized what this is gonna do. You know what I mean? Yeah. By the way, since we played Deadlock, can you send you in what's your Steam code thing, I guess? Sure. I fucking love Deadlock. Deadlock is so fun.
Love Deadlock. Actually, just kidding. I love Street Brawl.
Hop on Deadlock, dude. This motherfucker just showed up out of nowhere the second Deadlock was mentioned. Holy fuck, you are a creature.
The creature, actually.
The only thing that's missing is Cosmic showing up in the chat as well the second the Deadlock is mentioned. You two are fucking creatures. Hop on Arena.
Yeah, I don't know it's real.
Yeah, that, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. There we go. Here's my evil whistle.
Whoa, that's the whistle. What the hell? What's the whistle for?
I don't know.
Okay. You're just drawing shit?
I was thinking it might have something to do with like the train. Like maybe every train station you discover, you like get something. Speaking of, we still need to make the train stations, but like whatever.
Yeah, if you want an invite to Deadlock, you have to add someone on Steam. Mr. Yoshikage. And if you just want to send me a Steam friend request, I'll invite you when we play Deadlock tonight, and you'll get the invite sometime in the next week. You can find me on Steam if you just type in Bitlitic. There's only like 2 of them. And honestly, no, actually, pick the one that isn't Bitlitic 2. Actually, is my Steam Bitlitic? No, it's Biddy. I think Bitlitic should still come up if you search on Steam, actually. What the hell?
Ellie?
Wait, what the fuck? Oh, that's really fucking funny. So I looked up Steam Bitlitic on Google. Sorry for the red light mode, actually. Let me see if I can. Yeah, okay.
Cool. You can look up Steam Bitlitic.
Because I was like, I was curious if you could just look up Bitlitic on Steam and then like find it.
Really funny.
And so I see this thing that says Sigma Skibbity Big Yacht King, whatever. I'm like, what the fuck is this? And so I click on it, and it's a review for Godot that just says only one script allowed per object. I thought this engine is better than Unity, but I'm wrong. I was like, why the fuck did I come up? Because someone fucking recommended my tutorial on this person's review. That's so
fire.
Funny. That's so fucking funny. I wonder if this was someone in my server. Fire. I don't think I recognize their name. Holy shit. Yo, look at this motherfucker. Look at this. 1900 hours played in Godot engine. Currently in-game Godot engine. Godot's strongest soldier. I love that.
I mean, they could also just like leave it open all the time too. That's also possible.
Could, but like that's sick.
Yeah, like I have 5 billion hours in A-Sprite just because I leave it open all the time.
Okay, dude. BRB, you're bleeding. You gotta deal with it. Good luck, dog. I don't... That's insane, but good luck.
Good luck.
So, this is doing...
Okay, one more item before I give up. It's an item. Do we just make a burger? A burger for Nacho?
Holy shit, dude. I love burgers.
Okay.
Okay, dude. I hate you. Fuck, how do I write this in such a way that's like not the most terrible thing of all time? Because I'm trying to convert it so that instead of just like one big laser or one big hit scan thing that just crashed, because of course it did, because I'm stupid and dumb. So instead of one big it will like bounce off of this and then go out that way. Because I need the renderer. Regardless of how we render this, I need it to know all of the different places that it will be. I need it to know whether or not it bounced. I need it to know how many hits it currently has left. How many bounces it has left, if any. Dude. What the hell?
Ellie?
Big sigh. Dog, you couldn't play Dolphin Netplay if you fucking wanted to. I know that, and you know that. Let's not even, like, pretend. Why did someone leak Tempura's name on his profile Steam review? What are you even saying? What do these words mean? Let's go to your profile and find out what the hell that means.
This is actually real.
Oh, is it where it just says gay? Is it that one? Is it here versus gay?
Or it could be Hano's
Judith,
which is funny.
That's so fucking funny. You might be one of the worst reviewers of all time.
Me?
Yes.
What?
So here's your Splitgate 2 review. 1.5 hours ad review time, by the way.
Yeah, it was fun, like, when it came out.
Yeah. It's not peak. It was fun when it came out. That doesn't mean it's peak. And then your Rivals review.
My Rivals review is beautiful. It might be the best review of all time.
Which is, it's so peak, it's so peak. I've never played a flat fighter in my life. I'm cragging it.
I love cragging it.
He does, unfortunately.
I should edit the review and be like, they killed my boy.
You stopped playing way before that.
Yeah, well, he's dead now, so like I can't play him anymore. Hello, What is
Maybe
your
I don't
name?
do this right now. I think I don't do this right now,
Shinya
unfortunately.
Twin. What are you doing?
So I
That's okay.
don't think I'm in the matrix rotation mindset to be able to handle a fucking
Mm-hmm.
laser shit. So we're gonna undo this, and I'm gonna come back to this later. Which is
What you
honestly...
do right now is hop on deadlock. True. Wait.
Wow, that's so true.
Wait, at least till 9. We can stream at least till 9.
Wow.
Then if you want to give up and leave, then you can.
Let's see, echo sticker effect. I'm not doing that. This is under small fixes. Lol. Where is Bitty to do board? Let's take a look at this and see what we got in here. Can't remove card. Do you still want me to... What do you want, huh?
I mean, so here's my thought: is I a lot of other games have like keywords and things like that for cards or like modifiers. So like, you know how it is like if you can kind of like how the imbue thing works with
Yeah.
Slay the Spire, except obviously ours is stickers. But I want it to be like, say you go to buy a card and it's like, oh, it has a curse or something where it's eternal, but it has like really good stickers or something. Rather than it being like, this card is eternal, but it has these really good stickers, the eternal is just also another sticker. So there's like negative. So eternal would be like a negative sticker that would just like show up on a card.
Yeah. So
and there are probably
do
similar
have
ones.
Card removal then, I'm assuming.
Yes, 100%.
Okay. It's fine. Let me take a look at some... Deal fire damage on hit or chance to deal fire. I'll add that one. Stickers. Fire on hit. And I'll also add... First attack charge deals double damage. First attack charge. Oh god. Now I need to think about that.
Do you get what that's doing?
Yeah. I mean, like whenever you attack with the first charge, like the first ammo from an equipment does double damage, which makes sense. But I'm just thinking about how that works because certain things are a little bit more like I can't just check to see if the gun's only missing one ammo, or like I can't check to see if I'd imagine if you've got a sword that can hit multiple enemies that you would want that to deal extra damage to all the enemies hit with the first attack. I'm just thinking about that because I don't think we have currently...
I mean, if it hit multiple enemies, it's all the same attack, right? Or
yes,
no? Or
but
is it all
currently
separate?
it doesn't know that it's the first attack from a card because there's no information about that. It just knows that it's an attack from the card. Like when you like spawn a projectile or whatever, it doesn't know whether it's the first projectile, the last projectile, or like somewhere in the middle. It's just like, I was spawned from this card at this position, this information. And I'm just trying to think of the most painless way to add that information without having to go through and add it to every spawned thing. Which isn't the hardest thing to do, potentially. Let me look at where all the places. Let me get a list of equipment. Dude, oh, I fucked up. I didn't remove. What did you extend? You extend cast area. I didn't revert that file, apparently. Because like we have, this is a projectile, these shoot projectiles, but that doesn't, it's not
Will the game be priced at $70 or 80? It'll probably be like 60 or 70.
60 or 70. Wait.
Get it? Cause like,
dude,
6-7.
Okay, question actually. I've got a question for you, Mr. JW Tempura Cat.
Mm-hmm.
So, this Where is it? Where was the double damage? First strike. First attack charge deals double damage. Is that specifically for equipment?
Yes, because it's
Okay.
charges.
Well, because there's also like certain things that could have like multiple charges that aren't equipment. Like if you put extra charges on the box, whatever, like that does damage.
Oh, I guess. Oh, no, I'm stupid. I was thinking
But
only equipment has charges for some reason.
I'm
But like
okay
you
with it
could,
being only
yeah.
equipment because having that on everything that could possibly do damage sounds fucking terrible. But
I mean, it could just be better on some things than others.
toxoplasmosis. Toxoplasmosis is. I don't think it only lives in a cat's stomach. You can get the fucking. You can get it from like cleaning litter boxes or some shit. Like most
You like
people
my
who own
bullet
cats
with a
have it or
face?
some shit.
Bitty new item.
Dude, that's just literally Gungeon. That's just Gungeon, dude. Look at that motherfucker. Look at that Gungeon, dude.
I know.
Beautiful. I think I'm actually gonna hold off on first strike. I'm gonna think about that some more because I don't.
Yeah.
That's a potential, like, how do I set this up? Yeah, that's an interesting one. But let's see.
So
there's also the
thank you,
question.
Cherry, my goat.
There's also the question of this pumpkin. How does that work? Because when you throw it,
Yeah, it's just the first one.
all of the
deal
candy
double
corn
damage.
would count as the same ones, right?
I mean,
But those
couldn't
use
you just
different
modify the damage of the card? Like, just say that the card damage is 2 times as much, and then reduce it by half after the first charge is used.
I don't believe so. I can try it, but I don't. Let me look
I
at
don't
what this
see why
does real
that
quick.
wouldn't work.
So, because let me actually hold on. Let's close everything. Let's say I were to just, without even adding a sticker, let me do this. Charges, use card. Charges minus equals 1. If charges is less than max charges, damage is equal to. Hold on, is there a. How are we getting damage from the card again? There's not like a get damage function, right? It's just like the damage thing.
I don't think so, no.
I'm just gonna add something really quickly. That's gonna be gross. That's only for right now. I forgot what damage it was before and I can't see it. 10 damage, is that right? I don't know. 10 damage goes down to 5. Okay, cool. So I think the problem is, let me see if this works. I don't believe it snapshots the damage when it goes out. Maybe it does. Oh shit, it's going down even further. Uh-oh. Oh, because I'm at... It's funny. Give me a second.
Weapon that gains charges when using non-red cards might be peak. It's an interesting idea. Like maybe like while it's in your hand, it like gains damage or charges, like as you use other cards.
Oh, that's a crit. Let me turn off the critting really quick. I forgot that was a thing.
On a 2-hit Bollocks Pit didn't have the ammo be a bunch of dots displayed around the cursor. And you could try maybe, but I don't know.
I brought that up. He hated it. Not in that
Yeah, I
exact
did.
form, but pretty close.
Pretty close.
Hey, do I not? What? Wasn't there like a... I thought I had like a restore charges on the card. I guess not. Weird.
I guess not.
So the pistol is 10 damage. Whenever I shoot, it does 5 damage because the amount changes after it's been shot, and it pulls the damage from the card when it does damage, not when the projectile spawns.
I see. Okay.
At least I'm fairly certain it does. Is there a set deferred? There is. I'll try this really quickly. Why are you? Why is this 10? The fuck? Yeah, that's... Yeah, I'll come back to this later and think about it some more because there's... It doesn't take like a snapshot of it. Dante's 9 has random crits. Right now it does. It was a debug thing that I had where 50% of the time he was critting. But crits are a thing that we can add now. So we wanted to have ways that you could crit things. So I'll come back to the first strike at some other point.
Yeah, that's fine.
Increased damage based on money. That's...
Some of those I just like wasn't sure exactly
Yeah.
how it would be like balanced and things like that. So like
Yeah.
they're just kind of random ideas. The most of them were just ideas that were in the list. That I was just like, okay, I'll write it down.
So I see this is called Golden Gun. Is that like the theme that you wanted to go with it? Like for the sticker?
Yeah, I did that. I just like came up with when I was writing it down.
Okay.
So if there's anything that's like, oh, I don't like this, it's likely not a very concrete idea.
Okay. Gain additional charges on kill. Is that like a temporary charges, or is that like it increases the max? I'm assuming it's the just extra charges, like reloading.
Like temporarily, yeah. Yeah, like it would restore charges.
Okay. Yeah, that's actually a better word for it. Restore charges and kill.
Mm-hmm.
You misspelled scythe. Where did you misspell scythe? Where's scythe at?
Did I? Well, that's how it was spelled in the notes that already existed. So.
There's a scythe somewhere. Oh my god, you did.
Oh, I see. Oh, there we go. That's what I was missing.
Yeah.
Definitely noticed that one.
I don't know, for sure. That looks cool. Is Hammer back in here? Did we ever put Hammer back in
Oh,
this?
it's not actually. I forgot that was even a thing.
Tragic.
It's
Justice
so
for
bad,
Hammer. I wonder what Hammer does right now. I'm curious, actually. What if I were to put Hammer back in the list of usable cards? Would it crash the
funny,
game?
Just like still work.
It probably crashes the game, if anything. You don't see the self-cleaning litter box on there? Brother. Wait, what if that was one of the bosses? Was a self-cleaning litter box?
No, I don't like that.
Or like one of the bosses puts you in a self-cleaning litter box, and if you don't get out in time, you take damage. Fucking doorman ult.
Definitely Dormantle. Is that a Dorman
Dude,
reference?
the Baroness but litter box. Okay, so it does crash the game. That's pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Trying to assign type hammer ability visual to a type of base equipment. Yeah. Hammer visual is shit card, unfortunately. The world's biggest tragedy is the hammer. Oh shit. Is my Godot crashing? Yeah. Did my Godot just crash? It did.
Is my Godot just crash?
Did it let me equip the hammer though? Kind of.
Kind of.
Minus paw plus golden gun better be good. Ooh. Now there you're talking. That cat looks like food, specifically like shrimp. You're gonna fucking love this one then.
What?
Wait, GW, is that why you made your cat tempura cat? Because, like, people eat tempura food. It's like you want people to eat?
No, I'm not.
That's fucked
no.
up. You're fucked up.
No, it's not. No.
Does this crash? Okay, no, it doesn't crash anymore. Why did it crash? Holy shit, Hammer. Dude, I haven't seen Hammer in so long. Oh my god, it has 6 animations. What the fuck? What the hell-y?
Why are you fixing the hammer instead of like...
I'm not. I'm just looking at it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's going back in the unusable cards pile. It'll come back eventually, surely. Hammer will be back one day, don't worry. I am not into Vor, no. I don't like Vor. JW, on the other hand, I don't know.
His chat might be evil.
He's... Ask him about his opinions on, putting 3 Jupiter stickers on Dante.
It wasn't my idea.
It was! Someone said, let us put stickers on Dante, and you went 3 Jupiter stickers on Dante.
Not on Dante, like the tempo and
yeah,
music?
like the tempo and music. Yeah. Deflected the fucking music theory. Try to get my fucking autism peaked by this and deflected.
Darn, it didn't work, did it?
No. Card name, I don't know. Piercing shot that bounces off wall, double damage after bouncing, projectile or hit scan. Teleport damage dash. Clearance side B, but directional.
Yeah.
Okay, like, you use it, you click in a direction, and it teleports you there.
Yeah, like it teleports you, so whenever you use it, you teleport in that direction, and then like leave like a slash behind you that deals damage.
Okay. Wow.
Which is clearance. I mean, it's literally the easiest way to explain it.
Yeah, no, it is. Call it Mega Fang.
Like you instantly understand.
Mega Fang. Let me just start with these. I want to get something done instead of just looking at this fuck-ass list. So let's start with stickers. New resource, which is going to be fire or sticker. But actually, we should have maybe not actually. I was gonna say we should have some sort of like on-hit sticker, but I think we probably don't need to.
On-hit sticker?
Like a generic.
Could be. That actually could be a good idea.
It could be. I'm just
I
like,
feel like we'll have a lot of on-hits, maybe.
Yeah, I'm just like thinking about it a little bit. Because like, I don't know how different it would be. Like, the stuff that we've got here, like, the only things that would be, like, combined into an on-hit sticker would be this part right here, which is just connecting the signal to a function, and then the on-hit class would just have, like, an on-hit function you can override. So it's not really that different.
Yeah, maybe.
So I think we probably don't need that. Stickers, new script. We should make subfolders in here at some point, but fire sticker, fire. Does this have a thematic on it? Like, what would be a putting fire on enemies? Like from Dante.
I don't know. See, that's what I'm bad at.
Hot Cheeto.
Hot Cheeto
sticker. The
we need to get
sticker.
Kaisa in here.
Glass cups weapon card. Throw glass cups. The more time they spend in the air, the higher the damage. Holy shit! You're right. Cats do love knocking shit off of tables. Napalm. I'm down with a little napalm. We'll JW will give it a new name at some point, surely, if he doesn't like napalm.
Surely. Okay, well, I'm gonna put you on screen real quick. I need to run to the bathroom. I'll be right back.
Good luck.
Win.
Wait, this is like potentially the easiest fucking thing in the world to do. Lol. Util dot chance. Roll chance. Null, we'll say 50% of the time for now. If roll chance, then target or effect handler dot apply effect to target. It's called fire property. Value would be like, I don't know, man, half a second or half an amount, or yeah, half an amount. Source object equals null. What is that again? Oh yeah. Actually, this should be fine, I think. Oh shit, you're so right. Brimstone is definitely like the correct one. Yeah, thank you for like using your words for good and not evil. It's like honestly a little bit. I forgot that people can give like good suggestions. I'm just kidding. Motherfuckers in this chat are like so much more creative than I am, and I appreciate that so much. I wonder if this might work. I'm gonna go back through and code it a little bit differently in a moment, but you have your moments. I don't understand how there are people who are like just not evil. Like, what do you mean? What? Chance to apply fire on hit. Color will be some kind of red. Like this one, that's an orange. Texture, I don't remember, are all of the relics in, they are their own things. Oh, I guess it would be a sticker, wouldn't it? I don't think we have a fire sticker right now. We have powder. Sure. Default categories will get applied to any weapon, I think. Yeah. Let's find out what happens here. There is a sticker. Do we have brimstone? Okay, what does that do? How? Imagine if this works. That'd be so cool. Oh, wait a minute. Dude, it fucking works. That's actually crazy. I mean, it looks like shit because they don't have like a... The texture's too close to the hop, or the sprite. It should be like further up. But like that's... I'm like shocked that that worked first try. No bugs, no nothing. I mean, other than, you know, the general bugs that happen with fire. Like, I think if I... Oh, that's not fire. If that was fire, it would have done the same thing, though. So I wonder... Do stickers have the custom behavior that I added for the other classes to have custom properties? I think the answer is no. And I think I should add that potentially custom. They don't. Okay. So let's add this. Like, what was the most recent one? Relic resource? You have them? Yeah, you have dynamic properties. So I'm gonna do this in VS Code because it's gonna be just copying and pasting the exact same thing. Card sticker.gd and relic resource.gd. You over here. So we have export storage here, custom properties, custom values. What the hell is this? Desk valve key. Oh, that's for something else. Okay. If not, relic spawn return properties. Otherwise, it does all of this shit. Which is probably fine. Let me take a look at card resource as well.
Hello, gang. We're
Hello.
still back.
Hello, gang.
What are you working on, Twinithy?
I got the fire sticker working.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah. And it's really cool, actually. But I'm gonna do a thing because the sticker here, wherever the fuck it is, it's called Brimstone, by the way.
Okay.
The PNG pirate in my chat said Brimstone instead of Napalm, and I was like, dude, you're so fucking right. Oh, I guess this isn't a... Ah, shit. Wait, no, that's so fine. I don't know why I'm not doing that. I don't need any of this. This is gone. Because this doesn't spawn a scene. I can just add an export var, like, chance to apply. Which would be like, I don't know.
I was about to say, does it have a chance to apply, or is it a guarantee? But perfect. I was really about to ask if like it's a chance thing or if it's like always. It should definitely be a chance.
Yeah.
And then also, what was I? Oh yeah, one other little thing with the fire is it'd be cool for the enemies. They also play the little animations of their little fire icon. Like when it triggers, it does like the little shake.
Oh
And
yeah,
then,
I
like
can do
when
that.
it fades in and out, like the players.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's fine. It's because of the new things in the script.
No, because yeah, exports and new variables.
Yeah. Exports and
Yeah.
bars and such.
Yeah.
Let me affect visual. Is that what it's called? It is. I need you to be just by default a little bit higher up, because on the player I have you moved up here, which is great on the player, but everything else is by default like wrong. Let's try moving that up like this and then moving this back down on the player. Well,
A little bit lower.
yeah, a little bit lower, like somewhere between the snap settings I got right now. Oh, I'm snapping at 64. Oops.
Why are you snapping at 64?
Well, that's only 16 in the grand scheme of Dante's 9, which is the tile set size.
Yeah, it's still like insanely
That's
high.
the tile set size, brother.
Yeah, that's still really big, is what I'm saying. Like, you usually want the snap to be like a couple pixels or something.
You definitely don't want it to be like a couple pixels, considering Dante's 9 is 4 pixels is 1. It's like 2 pixels.
I meant like a
would be,
couple Dante 9 pixels.
I guess I see.
You know what I'm saying, Twin?
Nope. That's over to the left for some reason. Oh shit! I know why it's over to the left. Fuck. It's because of this. This should be called pivot, not anchor. It's a different concept.
Okay, what should the sticker look like for the fire? I'm trying to think. So I can go and make that for you.
Look up references
what do we
to
think?
brimstone. Like a brimstone.
Jerry.
references.
Jerry, what does the sticker look like, Jerry?
Jerry? Why are you asking Jerry? Pyro's the one that came up with the brimstone idea. Ask Pyro.
Yeah, but I'm asking Jerry.
Pyro. Pyro.
Pyro, like Pyro TF2?
Yep, that's the one. Exactly that. What does this look like on the player? That's fine. Probably. Hopefully we'll find out. It might be a little too high, but who knows.
Nice. All I'm getting is the Valorant character called Brimstone.
Can you do like minus searches on Pinterest?
I don't know.
Why is that still to the left? What the fuck? Oh, there we go. Nice. Hooray. Yeah, I'll make it do the little animation. I called it Plink, by the way, because that just felt right.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Twinithy.
Zoomies card, which is just a dash that optionally could do damage. It's kind of fire. Or yeah, it could just make you like really fast, but have like really slow acceleration. And then like deal contact damage, so you just kind of like fly around and smack things.
That was such a funny warning that I accidentally hit by default. Sorry, I want to read that one again. So if I do an @ warning, ignore. Just hit tab. Okay, start always false was the default. So why did you give me unused or something about a ternary? Incompatible ternary. I don't even know where that... I mean, whatever. If you're using a ternary, you kind of deserve to crash. At least in Godot. I think Godot's... Godot tried to copy too many things from Python is like my biggest issue with it.
Slow acceleration. Clearly you've never seen a Cheetah, which is just an overgrown house cat. Well, yeah, it's just to prevent you from like running back and forth over the same enemy over and over again to like deal a bunch of damage.
That might be fun, honestly.
One thing I'm also curious about is how does the fire indicator look like on the worm? Or the little flying guys?
I don't know, to be honest. Like that?
Yeah, that looks good.
Alright, enemy spawn, no worm enemy.
Ooh, very nice.
Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful.
I mean, I think that would work as long as it just make it not rotate.
Yeah, that's funny. Look at him go. Look at my boy. Worm man. What's the easiest way to lock something's rotation in Godot?
Can you just set the global rotation?
Yeah, I could. You're right. I don't like that. I don't like that line, but that is what I need to do.
I mean, I can't think of anything better unless you wanted to like make it top level, then just like position it at the.
I was gonna use something else, which was the remote transform 2D node. But
yeah,
this is probably fine.
I think this is probably better.
Better? I don't know. Fine. Yeah.
And does it stack? Like if you have multiple of them, it applies it multiple times.
Hmm? What do you mean?
Like if you or it has a higher chance. Sorry,
Oh no,
if you have multiple stickers, would it have a higher chance?
no,
of
not right
applying?
now.
Okay.
It's the same thing as the lightning sticker where you have to. I mean, you can do the this where I grab the count,
Yeah.
and then I can do things with that, like brimstone sticker. So I can do like this, except it's the lightning jar. It's brimstone sticker, and then I don't even. What would you want the chance to be? Is it just like diminishing, roll as many times, or like what's the?
I think with this, it probably wouldn't be diminishing.
You just think it'd be like a try to roll, and if it ever hits a success, do it, and then go from there.
I was thinking we just multiply the chance to apply by the sticker count.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
I mean, maybe we could do that.
The chance to apply should probably be like maybe 20% though.
Yeah, I mean it's at 0.2 right now.
Yeah.
There we go. So if I were to do like cards, add sticker, 2 more brimstones, that means it should be like a 60% chance to apply. Up. Didn't apply. Didn't apply, or did apply. Nope. Yeah. Yeah. Well, so far we're at exactly 60% right now. Slightly above 60. Uh-oh, it's trending towards up. Okay, we're going back down. Uh-oh. It's just statistics, but it seems like that's right. Also, the way it works is
Does it apply multiple stacks?
I was just about to explain that. There's a maximum duration that it can have on it, or there's a maximum like value the fire can have, and whenever you hit it multiple times, it will just add like up to that maximum.
It should definitely last longer. The fire is like way too short.
Yeah, I haven't fully defined it yet, to be honest.
That's okay, yeah.
I think it's like it can get ticked 4 times. I think.
Yeah, and we could mess with like the stacks idea and like have like the little number, see how that feels.
The what? Huh?
Of like you could have multiple stacks of fire.
Okay. Sorry, you cut out, so you said the axe idea for me. I didn't really just
axe,
stacks.
yeah.
I see.
Yeah, stacks, like stacks.
Yeah,
like...
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well I'll call that good for now. I'll come back to it in a little bit, but damage based on money. Let me think.
So I'm not finding anything good reference-wise in terms of that stickers. I don't know what it should be.
What if you typed in Hell Brimstone? Or did you do Brimstone minus Valorant? Like, did you try that?
Well, I mean, that was like the first couple results, and the rest there's just like nothing.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm thinking about this for a moment. Because I'm like... I'll probably just make this a non-hit sticker, to be real with you. Yeah. Yeah, yes. Yeah. It's called... Okay, Golden Gun Sticker. Extends... Card sticker.
We have a weapon that just throws orange cats at the enemies. Yes, we probably can actually. That's not a bad idea. I think I did have like a cat summon somewhere here.
I get what he's saying though. Specifically, orange cats need to be launched.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. how would you want this to scale? Like, let's
Over the
say,
golden gun.
yeah, let's say we've got a sticker on a card and you want to increase the damage, and I were to just tell you, okay, go in and add the values that you want. Like, what would that look like? What is your intuition? How much money? How much damage? What's the...
I don't know. It's hard to say because we don't know how much money is like a lot of money.
Yeah.
Currently in the game.
I mean, like, would it be like for every 10 you deal extra? Is it every 1, like, it increases like a percentage amount? Is it
definitely
like...
every 10 it like increases like a percent. Maybe every 10 it increases by like 2% or something.
Okay, we'll do that for now. I'm trying to think of how to... I'll just do like an export bar of like... money amounts, which would be an int 610, and then increase percent. It's gonna be a float that is like 2%. So what I can do is leave that out for now. Attack dot damage would be...
So I could make the fire sticker be like a lighter.
Good.
That could work.
Dude, go away, bitch. I know. Trust me, dude. I know the decimal part's gonna be discarded. That's great. The attack is... Oh, I guess it's not. But, like... Whatever. Whatever. That's stupid. I added... This isn't gonna do anything. I don't know why I added this. I literally can't give my... I have to give myself money. I was like, oh yeah, I'll just like load into the level and test this. Brother, that's not how that works.
Don't the enemies drop money now?
Oh shit, you're so right, they do. What enemy drops the most money, I wonder? Actually, it doesn't matter.
Programmer of all time.
I can just like spawn a bunch of these guys in and then kill all of them, and they will drop money for me. The AK... How much does the AK normally do? Is it 6?
I think so.
6, okay.
Like 6 or 7.
Yes, dummy. Whoa, dude, it does 7 damage, and this one does 6 because it doesn't have the sticker. Wait a minute.
Wait a second. Say that again.
Wait a minute, that's say again. And then if I were to add like a bunch of these guys all over the place. And aside from the game lagging like absolute shit, 6 damage, and then whenever I equip this, it does 8 damage. That doesn't feel right. What happened?
What did you do?
What did I do? What the fuck do you mean? Oh, is it just because it's such a low amount? Let me see. So 6 is 2% of 6 is a very low number, which means that I would need at least like, I don't know. Let's use the op. I think the op has a more reasonable damage value for a test like this. Yeah, it does 60. And then if I were to add a golden gun sticker to it, it does 76. Don't flip those around.
Wait a second. Wait.
Oh, the DPS even.
How much damage?
Wait, the DPS shows the fucking decimal in it. That's so funny.
That's really funny.
Okay, I'm putting you on screen. I have to use the bathroom. I'll be right back.
Okay, good luck. I'm attempting to draw lighter and struggling. Don't worry about it. Yeah, it's not bad. Could be worse.
Hello. Hello. Okay. So let me see. This doesn't use the level of the sticker, but I can add a method in here, which will be func get sticker count. Return an integer and take in a card instance, and it will just return card dot get sticker count of get script. Yeah, cool.
Where's the 60-cent pack of cigarettes next to the lighter? You might be cooking with that one. Hold up.
I want to place Slay the Spire to...
We can wrap up soon, twin.
and if I were to add more of the golden gun sticker, it does even more damage based on how many golden gun stickers are on it.
Oh.
Look at that go, dude. Do you like the art that I chose to use for the golden gun?
Yeah. Great.
Cool. That works. That's done. I'm happy with that. Cool. Next. Restore charges on kill. I wonder what would be a good... I'm thinking like something like assassinate or like bounty maybe, or like
You also have to think like, what's the sticker gonna look like?
yeah,
Like those are good like names, but like, what is the sticker?
yeah,
Yeah.
plunder. I don't know, man.
Plunder. All right, bro. Think we pirates.
Yeah, arg.
Arg.
Dante pirate had one.
Maybe someday.
Holy shit, dude! The fucking Wind Waker theme just started playing out of all the fucking songs in my playlist. That's fire. I don't think there are any other songs that could ever be seen as like a pirate song in my entire playlist except... Oh no, I don't have Sea Shanty in this one actually. I don't think there's any other song even remotely close to that. That's fun.
That's fun.
Oh no, I have... never mind, sorry. I do have 2 other songs from Wind Waker. I have Outset Island and Dragon Roost. How's the progress? The progress is great. The progress is going
It's okay.
great. I'm just gonna... You know what, JW? You get to figure out the name for this sticker, and I'm just gonna call it Charge
What?
on Kill sticker.
Alright.
Yes, sir. And I'm gonna call it Charges on Kill sticker. Extends card sticker. Tool script. And then you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go over to Lightning Jar sticker. Actually, we're gonna go to the... where is the... Golden Gun. Thank you. This doesn't have... Shit, this doesn't have the, like a kill signal on it. That's annoying. Which one do I prefer? Saving game to resource or JSON?
We don't know yet.
We don't know yet, but I want to say JSON just because it is easier for someone who's not a developer to read and edit if something goes wrong and they want to change something themselves. It's also a little bit more secure than resources because of the issue where if someone sends over a save file that's a resource, they could put in like their own custom code into it, and because Godot runs certain functions when a resource is loaded, even if you try to sanitize it, like it would just run the code, which can do literally anything because it's Godot. Whereas JSON is just like they could try to put every malicious code in there, but unless we read specific parts of the dictionary as code, it's not really going to do anything, which hopefully we're not doing that. So I want to say JSON, although I do really like the idea of binary formatted save files, but I don't think that's going to work for us. I will also say one thing that was kind of shocking, not shocking in like a bad way, but shocking in like a what the hell-y kind of way, is if I go into my... Wait, what? Where the hell is my... I don't know, I might be stupid. Am I stupid?
Possible.
Where does... What? I thought that, where does Slay the Spire save at again? Oh, here it is. Found it. So here's Slay the Spire 2, which is also made in Godot. If I go into, I don't know, Steam here. Yeah, here we go. Profile 1 saves. Progress.save. So if I were to open this up and take a look, I don't know why Visual Studio Code isn't showing up. This is my save file for Slay the Spire, which is all in JSON. Slay the Spire 2 at least, which is very, I don't know, it's like, it's a little comforting seeing like a very successful and a very well-made game using JSON for their save files, because, you know, there's something about using JSON that feels like a little wrong, because you're just kind of storing a save file in plain text, but they're using it. It's good.
They did it, so that must mean that it's right.
Well, it's less so that that just means that it's right, but it's more of like, there are data points why you, or there's like reasons you shouldn't, reasons you should, data points, you know, on both sides. You know, this is another one that kind of puts it on like the, this should be okay, you know, if it's what you want to do. So I personally think I prefer JSON saving over resource saving.
The Slay the Spire glaze is insane.
All right, buddy. I've literally talked about how I didn't like Slay the Spire 1 before. And so whenever I talk so much about how much I like Slay the Spire 2, like, that should mean something, right? Right?
Yeah, means that you're glazing it even more.
Oi! How do I kill this guy? How do I kill him?
We got a lighter now.
I'm gonna do this for now. I'm gonna leave a comment though that says this feels gross. ... What does it do? Because I don't like it, but it's just like target killed, I'd imagine. Yeah.
Okay.
Why'd you okay? What are we okaying about?
I made my sticker.
Oh, nice. Holy shit, dude, just got a cat face.
Mm-hmm. Pretty tough, right?
Yeah, no, that's a tough ass lighter, dude. That looks sick, man.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, that looks...
Yeah, for real. Twin.
For reals, twin. For realsies.
For reals, twin. So they made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items and 1 sticker. The art for them, that is. So, I think I'm happy with that for tonight. How are you doing, twin?
Give me a second. I'm adding the restoration, charge restoration thing.
Ah, okay.
I really like having this util roll chance, by the way. Because sometimes I like forget which side, like if I just like do like a randef range like 0, 1, I'll be like, okay, well, greater than like 0.2, that means that it's like a, this is an 80% chance to apply, so it should be like a less than 0.2 for the 20%. But I made a function that's just you can just roll a chance with or without an RNG thing, and then I should probably maybe change the order of these, but it just like does it for you, so you don't have to remember, because remembering is hard. Yeah. Can this go over max charges? I don't think so. Maybe it can, actually. I guess we'll find out. seeing some place that I could use this event router thing, actually. I think that might be play. Can I show you a top level overview how we design the modifier system? Sure, yeah. Give me a moment and I will. Let me work my brain through this really quickly. This is like the worst example of the modifier system. This might just work. This might just work. Sorry, my fault. Add an op because that does enough damage. And then we'll add just a regular dummy because this uses the regular. Where the hell did that go? Okay, yeah, that kills in one. Card, sticker. What did I call it? Oh, I never added the fucking sticker to the data.
Are we slaying the 67? Yes.
Oh god. You need to be killed, I think. That might need to be, like, murdered.
7.
What the fuck is the name of the charges on kill sticker? Charges on kill sticker. Because until JW comes up with a better name, that's what it's called. Charges on kill sticker. Smiley face. Give it a color red. And a texture of Boy Kisser so that JW knows to change it. That really worries me. I just looked over at chat. Mowillix 18 or 2018. I'm really worried that the 2018 in your name means you were born in 2018. Please tell me that's not the case. I don't want an 8-year-old in my chat. That's terrifying. I'm sure it means something else. Surely.
Yeah, I was born in 2018, so.
Don't say that. You're streaming on Twitch. They will take that as being real. That's not the case. He was not born in 2018. He is an adult. He is, like, you're 19 now, right?
I don't know, probably.
Probably. Yeah, true. Alright, does this... So... Oh, shit. I left on infinite charges. It's like a 4 charges. I killed it. It didn't roll it. I killed it. It did roll it. Look at that, dude. It actually rolled it. It just didn't show up because it... It instantly rolled it. I wonder... Oh, shit. You know what I just thought about? That means the op actually has a chance to get multiple charges back because of Pierce. Right? So...
Oh, wait, because is it per hit?
It's per
Wait,
kill.
that's kind of fire. Oh, it's per kill.
It's per kill. It rolls per kill.
That's kind of fire.
Why is it not proccing anymore? There's no way it failed to proc on all of those, right? Like, I guess there is, like, a chance, statistically speaking, that it did that, but...
Yeah, that's not likely.
Console not print. Rolled. Like, there's no way that... I guess it was just statistics? Maybe? Let me see if... how many times is this? Yeah, it does run for every one. Console.current. Access. A 3. All of them are just failing. What's the chance? 10% chance? I could see that. Maybe. Maybe not. It's scary.
I don't see that happening. Yeah, something's not right. No.
No, I think it is. It's yeah, because it's going over the amount.
That's evil. There's no way.
It is. I think it was just like statistics. Like if I put down specifically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then like statistically speaking, I should stay at this amount. Oh shit, there's dudes down there that it's hitting because of fucked up things. Don't worry about it.
What did I just watch?
Don't worry about it. So we should stay around 15. Like statistically speaking, it'll go up sometimes and it'll go down sometimes. Uh-oh, it looks like it's going up more than it's going down. Oh wait, hold on. Equilibrium? No. I accidentally shot once, but yeah, it seems like it just is like random chance. That's fun.
Okay, that's pretty cool. I do think it should definitely be a higher chance though, because
yeah,
you're not always like there's no guarantee that you're gonna kill something. I don't know, I feel like
it probably should be. I was just
if it
thinking
was
about the
on
op. I'm
hit
like,
or something like that, it should be a lot lower. But
yeah, I think this should also probably
and
not
I
go
think it's
over the max.
No, I think it 100% should.
Well, the problem is if you make it like a higher chance than for the op, if you ever get like a, I guess, I mean, I don't know, you're probably not
Yeah,
gonna be
I
killing,
think
like,
that's cool.
more
I
than
think
maybe
if
the enemies.
I think if you like stack
probably
3
fine.
of them on there and you have the op, you should be able to just like use it infinitely. That's cool. That's sick.
50% chance. 24 ammo out of 5. 28 ammo out of 5. And then you combine
I
that
think
with
like
a
25 to 50% chance is probably good.
There's energy drinks. 2 energy drinks on this bitch, and you can just like
Except they're gonna keep respawning.
yeah. It's fun.
Kind
I'm probably like 25% chance. I'm fine with that. Leave it around there. Probably. Yeah, big collapse, you'll still get, you know, numbers, but you're gonna go down over time. Ignore that. Don't worry about it. It'll be fixed eventually. Okay. So you asked about the modifier system. So there's a couple of modifier systems at play. Some of them are really cool. Some of them are not. So we'll start with the cool one, which is the property system. So we have certain stickers like the bounce sticker. And all this does is, so this class just knows about a class, like a different other class, which these are just like simple properties that we define. There's nothing really special about them. You could effectively have this be like, you know, a class that looks like this, you know, and have it be here. But the extra functionality is like just like extra shit that we need in our game, so we just have that. When we want to apply a property like this to something else, we can do so. Like if I wanted to give the player a bounce property, which wouldn't do much here, wouldn't do anything here actually. We have this utility function called asset component. So I could do like take myself, which is the player, and take the class bounce property. And this, oh no, sorry. Yeah, sorry. This needs a, I don't even remember how to use this. Well, bounce prop is a new version of this, and then we will say assign this out via the class bounce property. If you've ever used Unity, this is the same thing that they use there. You've got like a set component where you pass in the type and the value. So this is what it would look like in C# land, but we're not in C# land in Unity. So we have this, and effectively what this does is it attaches via the class bounce property. It will put a reference on the player. So for example, if I go ahead and run the game, The way that we're doing that will maybe become clear, but I'll go into that as well. So if I load in, the player will apply the bounce property themselves. You didn't see anything because it's just like a property. But if I go into the remote tree and find the player under here, if I look at their metadata, we have all of their properties that are on them, which are properties that can either be added, removed, modified, whatever, and we can see the bounce property right here with like whatever values we've assigned to it. That's kind of the idea for a lot of the stuff that we have in the game, is we just attach component, like either a data component, like this bounce property is just a data component, or you may have seen here, if I go back to the player, we also attach their, where the hell is it? Their movement driver, which is a functionality component. So like whenever the player dies, for example, we swap out their movement component with a death movement component. So the modifier system kind of uses that sort of idea of attaching anything to anything else by a class name. And what this looks like is this mess of code right here. But basically, you pass in the object you want to attach the component to, the actual value of the component, and the class that it like falls under. If there is no class attached, it will try to grab a class name from the script. We don't typically do this. This is just kind of a fallback thing. But typically we'll specify what class we want it to attach under, which will use here we do set meta. So metadata is something that exists on every object in Godot, which is just kind of a dictionary that maps a string to some value, which can be an object, it can be a float, a string, a boolean, a resource, pretty much anything. And usually meta is really bad to use, because if you do like you set your health like this, and then later you go like target.get meta health, what does this do? This fails because this is capitalized, this isn't. Or, you just like spell it wrong. So usually this is like bad to use. But because we're using class names, this ends up making it like very consistent between like anywhere. So the way that we added the player's bounce property, later we can also read it back by doing this from the player using the bounce property class. And this would return out the bounce property itself, where we could pull any sort of information we want off of it. And we kind of just use that all over the place, like with projectiles, we use the bounce property, we use things like size property. For cards specific, like for across the board for cards, we have like a damage property, which is just like a multiplier on top of the damage. We also have things like, I think it's called speed property, attack speed property. So these kind of get attached and modified by like any sort of sticker that wants to increase or decrease certain values. And that is our modifier system, because it's just a whole lot of attaching and reading from properties. But I don't know if you have anything to say, JW, or if you're just
nope,
bro zoned out. Okay. Well, I think I'm good to end stream now.
Yep.
I'm hungry as shit.
You got a lot done.
And I want to play Slay the Spire too.
Yeah, of course you do. And
also Dwarf Fortress. So. Alright, well, good night everybody. We probably won't be streaming this weekend, I'd imagine.
Yeah, probably not.
I'm definitely not. Because I'm gonna be away from home. I don't know if you are.
IRL stream.
I don't know what our plans are on Sunday, but
Just kidding.
Yeah, no, IRL stream, yeah, for sure. But yeah. Goodbye, bye.
Alright, bye gang.